Hi there, singers. This is Dominika from Singing Carrots. Today I'm having a look at an online platform called Fiverr and a place where you can actually find good singing lessons. So let's have a look. Fiverr is a popular online platform where you can find freelancers for almost anything you need, from graphic designers to video editing, writing, and of course, singing lessons. Here you can easily pick a singing teacher based on ratings, reviews, and pricing, of course, very important. Lessons are one-on-one and through video call, making it fun and engaging since you are interacting directly with your instructor. So online lessons are fantastic because you can learn from the comfort of your own home. You don't have to go anywhere. If you have a busy schedule, you don't have to worry about transportation or the time you're gonna lose on getting from one place to the other. You can schedule lessons in a flexible way according to your schedule and choose teachers from all around the world. Just remember to always check teachers' reviews, credentials, and sample videos. You want to look for clear communication, positive student feedback, how long they worked with certain teacher, and you want to look at their experience and whether it's relevant to your singing goals. You also want to look at the price and make sure that it's within your budget. So Fiverr is awesome. If you're looking for personalized live feedback, you can get custom lessons, real-time interactions, and tailored advices specifically for your voice. Now, Singing Carrots is a bit different, but it's still fun. It's interactive. It's designed to help you practice and improve on your own schedule. Here you get engaging courses, interactive pitch training, games, and you can track your vocal progress. It's perfect for daily practice, building your habits, and developing skills step by step. So when should you choose Fiverr and when is Singing Carrots better? Well, let's have a look. You should definitely choose Fiverr when you want personalized life coaching, when you have specific vocal issues, or you want direct feedback specifically for your voice. And if you want real-time interaction with a teacher. Go for Singing Carrots when you like to practice independently at your own pace, when you want fun and interactive tools to improve pitch and technique, and if you're looking for structured courses and consistent practice routines. In short, Fiverr is perfect for personalized feedback, while Singing Carrots is amazing for regular independent practice. Hopefully you found this helpful. And if you're interested and curious about Singing Carrots and how our tools work and whether they're for you, go ahead and check out our website and give them a try. Thanks so much.